welcome back to my channel Vedant's World. And now today we are going to make this robot. This is part 3. See guys, I'm thinking to make a walker robot. So keep this aside. Cameraman, and my cameraman is Papa. You can show your face if you want to.
Nah, good. Okay.
You can show a picture if you want.
Yeah, we'll show it later.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna make one module. The first module, we'll have to make the module. So
Okay.
Make this module.
Yeah,
Show
part
the
2
module.
and part 1, we unboxed all of this. And these all parts we found in the box.
Okay, show this.
So this is part 1 of making the module. This box, do you see right here? This box, that box we are going to make. Cameraman or editor, can you just put a arrow there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Point. Okay.
Okay. Get that wire.
You are the cameraman and you're the editor at the same time.
So this is the one starting point. This is the line.
What's that thing?
See, the one that the
Oh, this thing. What's this thing?
That is a motor. So it's very delicate. You have to make sure that this motor. See, this is a motor. Show it to the audience.
Okay, I'll take it very slowly. See, this is a motor. Just circle. Editor, can you just circle the motor? Like circle around it.
Okay. So
Thank
this is
you.
what we'll need. Put it there.
Very delicate.
Next, we're gonna take.
Oh, what's this thing?
It's saying this is P1. This portion is P1. This portion is P3.
No,
That's what it
that
is.
means 3 pieces.
No.
Piece
This,
is 1.
we need to attach there. P1, P2, P3, where it will go, it is showing. Okay. And now we're gonna take this base.
Base 2. This is base
Okay.
1.
Okay. So one base
What's this
will take.
thing?
This is the base.
What's this thing? Blue.
And there's one more base here. Okay. This is the
What's
one.
this thing, dude?
This is the one here. You
This
can
is
see
this
that?
one.
Okay. Looks like same,
Yep, it's same.
right?
It's same.
And
See, this piece is same like this. Oh, wait.
this piece.
Can you see someone telling? Oh, see inside. See?
Hmm.
Just circle that, editor, please. Thank
Okay.
you.
Which one we need? Tell me. No. Select. Let's do this one. Which one is that? This one or this one?
No.
This one. Correct.
Yeah, because it has these 4 poles here.
Okay. So we'll make this one and this one. Then we'll connect.
Wait. I'm just testing.
Yeah, it will get connected.
How can I try it?
Wait, not here.
Papa.
Somewhere it will get connected. Okay.
Like a big box.
Yeah. See,
There's a motor.
Something like that it will become. Yeah, like this. If I push it, it will join. Okay. Now. This
No,
is the
first we
part.
have to attach all the parts. Then join it.
So everyone can see it. Oh no, everyone can see it. Here. Put it down. This one, what I was explaining is this one and this one. If you attach here, this portion.
It'll just connect.
Okay. This one it will get connected.
Push.
No, this side or that side? Which side? This one, this side.
It's a little complicated actually to measure. Not measure.
Yeah, I'm not pushing because we need to put the stuff.
Oh, then you can't take it out
Right, it might get stuck. Okay.
forever. No!
Okay.
Can you
let's-
point at the book now?
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. This is where we are.
How can they can see here?
This option. They can see the whole thing.
What?
Okay. So let's keep it this way, the way they are shown. So these two are. And that's a curve. So I'm keeping in the same style, the way they have kept it. Okay.
Just keep it here.
Right. This way. Same.
Yeah, same basic.
Now, Let's connect.
This is like a bowl of rice. Can I have a spoon, please? Make my hand a spoon. Thank you, editor. Thank you for making my hand a spoon.
Okay.
It's like a bowl of rice.
Okay, so what do we need to connect here?
This thing?
This one, this small thing. Can you find this part?
Can you see if they can see the book?
It's okay. Can you find this part? This small part with this.
This small thing. Is it in yours?
Let's see wherever we can find. Round. Do we have? Oops.
Oh, there it is. That thing? That thing?
And let's find a bigger wheel, little bigger wheel like this. This wheel. Yes, this looks correct.
But you have to put something inside.
Yeah.
What is that thing?
What is it? Some other color.
No, I can't find any. I just found this. That's all. I couldn't find anything. I just found
What
this.
about this? This is the one?
Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, we have to remove this.
Wait. So we want to make sure. Wait. We want to make sure whether these are the parts.
Yes.
These are the parts.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Or it might be these also.
This one is here.
Oh yeah, this one is here.
So we'll have to unbox this one also.
No, we'll remove only the parts.
Okay, just put this back.
Take your.
No, keep it here. Whatever we need one of this or this, big one or small one.
No, this looks like to me big one. This looks like to me big one. Yeah, it looks like big one.
Okay.
Wait, now remove this part just a second. Just remove this part. You have to connect this into this. No, you have to connect this. See,
Here.
this is like this. You have to connect this.
Is it going?
Yeah, it will go.
Sure? No, it's not going. Make it other way around. Other side. This side.
No, this won't go because they both are same size.
So in that case, I think this is the portion. No, doesn't look like.
It doesn't look like, but it may be. This should be it.
You don't have anything here in white.
No, nothing.
You got something like this. Yeah.
No, this is not going in. But this should be the piece.
Okay,
That should go in this big eye. See, this will be the product.
Okay, what is the number of that? Can you tell me? What's the number?
This C4.
This is C4. Where is C4? This is C4.
See, that's C2.
Oh, sorry, where is the C4 from? A, B, C, D, E. Where is C4? Where is C4?
This tiny piece is C4.
But wait, what is C4?
Just see the pieces then. Because see, it's written C4.
C2, C6, C7. Is anything C4?
There's no C4? This. was this black piece gone? Little small. Just imagine I just fit it in one go. But this should be the piece. I'll tell you why. Because look, if you fit it, it should go like this. See, this makes a perfect circle.
Correct.
So this should be the piece. Or maybe you're just looking at it wrong. I put as much as I could.
Show me once again. Let me try if you can. Yeah, that's up. Give me.
No, it won't work. I'm telling you.
No problem. Let's try something. No, it's different also. This is the one. Actually, this is the one.
But in middle, it doesn't have this kind of thing. And it doesn't tell that there's a rod here. Maybe it's just hiding.
Okay, what shall we do now? Searching on yellow. There's nothing on yellow. Do we have any other pieces? Any other?
No, nothing else.
I found something.
What? We are so dumb. These are the pieces I need. The rod is here. The rod is in there.
So we have to think out of the box sometimes.
Oh, we have a thinking inside the box.
Can you put this inside? Very, very delicate. Put it inside.
Let's go on the blackboard. We are so dumb. We are the dumbest people in the entire world. No, I'm just kidding.
But they did not mention that we should open anything with the solar panel. This is solar panel thing.
Oh, this is the one.
Yeah, that's what even I'm thinking. See, this one.
Yeah, this is the one.
There's one green.
No, but see how tiny the hole is.
Okay. Let's remove all this stuff, all three. And we're going to use one more bowl for...
Should we put the rod first?
Let's see.
Where's that piece? What's that piece called?
This is all right.
So this was
So that black thing first.
like this, and the rod is telling us to put it in here.
Okay, that's good.
No, wait.
Okay, no.
Oh, they're telling us to put it in here.
Yes. Okay, very good.
Now this one of some wheel should come in here. I know this. I know some wheel should come in here.
Put that black thing.
No.
The small thing.
No, it won't do.
The other
But
one.
it's telling that put the big one. Put it in the big hole.
Where's that black? That other black that we put it here. And this is one.
It's just hiding down. Now where?
Put it back. Because that was
This
fitting.
in.
Yeah, that was fitting. Yeah.
No, there's such a tiny hole. How will it fit? It's such a tiny hole. Good point. I have. No, it should be that black piece because imagine.
Not here. You are not connecting on this one.
I'm just telling something. I'm just explaining something. And then put this here. These both will spin together.
This is the green they have already told. This green will go here on this one.
No, but I'm just telling.
Green. Correct?
Yeah, they are telling green will go there. But which side?
This one.
It should be like this.
Yeah, correct. Okay.
Now see, this will spin with this connected here.
Yeah.
That's my logic.
Your logic is correct, and I think that we don't need to connect. Also, we just need to not upside down, not inside up. This one, put it out. Put that green thingy here. No,
And then just connect it to the green thingy.
show me.
No,
Not
that
happening.
Wait.
Big. It's so big.
But this should spin with this.
There has to be something else. What is this? We're not able to find this.
This is this thing.
If it is this thing, so that
It should have fit.
let's remove this. Let's remove this.
Just put it.
It's not even going inside. It's too big for this hole.
And it's touching the rod fully. Like this
Okay,
squeezing.
okay. I think I got a little idea. Let it be like this only.
Wait, can I try
No.
something?
Wait.
Can I try something?
Wait. Let me finish this. This one. This one.
Can I try something?
Yeah, you can try something. So that green is fit.
You
We
can
know
put
that.
this like this down and fit. Put this down.
Yeah, but it will fall off.
Oh yeah.
Let's put the green. That is correct.
The green is correct.
Okay, it says red. Says red. This
What?
one, this portion red comes here on top. So the red is not going here. Red is
Wait.
going different place.
Wait, कैसा था? This is like this.
Yeah.
So
Red will go in this portion. This is good.
wait. It's telling red will go in this portion.
Yeah.
Like how do you fit the red?
No, there has to be some rod. Yes, here it's showing.
What the?
There has to be something. Okay, let's. We still haven't figured out this one.
Should
See
we
if it
wrap
works.
up? Yeah. There we go.
We are still trying to find the way out. Which one is which?
There we go. See, I made it out.
Eh? Oh, it's a tower.
Get that out.
Isn't it something like this?
Yeah, but the back part is different. This back part is different.
Yeah, it's telling it should. Nice.
Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, press that subscribe button, and press that notification bell. We'll figure this out.
Yeah, we'll definitely figure this out. I think
So,
I have to think over
for
this.
now, guys, bye.